Welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. When you are adding lettering in your sketchbook, you might want to consider a bit of shadow to add a bit of an effect. For shadows we need light, so think about where your light source is to keep your shading consistent. Here's a little lamp with a light bulb. The light comes from the top right, which means the shadow falls on the left side and the left bottom. You can outline your shadow and then fill it in. And think about the cord of the lamp. It's on the other side of the light source, so the shadow falls on the right-hand side. There are many ways to add shadow. I'll show you a few examples. Add a big spotlight shadow, like I showed you previously. Draw the outline of the shadow and fill the shape. Create a softer shading by using the stippling technique. The closer you put the dots together, the denser the shading is. And when you make them fan out gradually, you create a soft transition from dark to light. Practice hatching and cross-hatching to add shadow. This way you can also create a bit of a softer transition from dark to light. Or use pencil. You can rub the edges with a blending stick or your finger to create soft shading. Darken the bits that are close to the letter and you're creating a great sense of depth. With just a few simple strokes of a brush marker, you've got a very solid shadow. Just keep that light source in mind so you know where to put the shadow. Instead of an outline, you can follow the shape of the letter with simple straight lines. This way you indicate shadow in a very efficient way and gives your letters a cool look. Give it a try next time when you add some writing or a date to your sketchbook page. It will perk up your page. And if you'd like to learn more and get into the habit of drawing, then check out our beginner course, Art Bootcamp, and all of our other fun courses at sketchbookschool.com.